Your recap of Day 4 at WWDC starts now. Danny taught us how to troubleshoot Siri media queries.
The way we solve this is to sync additional vocabulary to Siri.
That's helpful. Next, we played around with the Action and Vision app. And speaking of cool, check this out. Keyboard and mouse support for iPad games. Next up, Swift UI.
The new outline and disclosure groups give you the power to tailor the progressive display of information that's just right for your app.
Nick and Jake helped us learn how to optimize a Mac Catalyst app. And that's not all we talked about. And the action continues tomorrow. Guess what you'll be able to share soon? Ever wanted multicolored symbols? More on widgets from someone who really likes coffee.
A widget would be a great addition to be able to know at a glance, at all times, how caffeinated I am.
The last day of WWDC is almost here. See you then.